Hobbs. I'm an occupational therapist. April is Occupational Therapy Month, so we're doing a series of videos trying to get some awareness about occupational therapy. Occupational therapists work with many different populations in many different settings. Basically, we help people with their activities of daily living, activities of daily living, say that. What that means is that when someone has an injury or an illness and they need rehabilitation, OTs help with dressing skills, grooming skills, cognitive skills, memory, stress management, time management, medication management. We help with all those things. We help the pediatric population, kids that are born premature, kids that have autism, kids that have cerebral palsy, kids that just have very mild handwriting difficulties. We work with all different types of people, helping them develop their skills. I want to talk today a little bit about caregivers, right? A lot of us are home caregiving our kids. Some of us may be caregiving someone that's sick because of COVID-19, or we might be caregiving a parent or a grandparent, and that's just our usual regular life. I want to talk today about the importance of self-care for the caregiver. That means sometimes that you have to put yourself first. And I know that's hard. And I know you may be thinking, how can I put myself first? My kid needs me. My mom needs me. My grandfather needs me. I got to do my work. I got to take care of the dog. There's just no way. And trust me, I get it. I have a 2-year-old. I have a dog. I have a husband. Lots going on, guys. And I live in a small apartment in Los Angeles. I get it. But what I want to say is that when I do put myself first, and I teach this in my OT practice, you are better for them, okay? I'm going to say it again. When you put yourself first, you are better for the people that you're taking care of. So if that means that you need to take 5 minutes to eat before you feed the dog, then that's what that means. A lot of times we're spinning around. Dog needs this, kid needs this, husband needs this, work needs this, and you realize that you haven't made your cup of coffee. You realize that you haven't eaten. And it's just better that you take the 5 to 10 to 15 minutes to make sure that you take your vitamins, that you have your cup of coffee, you drink your tea, whatever it is, you make a quick breakfast, eat it. And that means being present, eating that breakfast and not jumping around, cutting up snacks or feeding the dog or paying a bill. Just take that few minutes to really sink down, take care of yourself, and then you will be so much better off. Because when you're running around trying to take care of your kid and you're like, I haven't even eaten, I'm hungry, I don't feel good, I have a headache now. It was better off that you take that time to take care of yourself. And I'm not saying it's easy, it's not going to happen every day, but as much as possible, you want to make sure that your basic needs are met, that you're drinking your water, right? That you get 5 minutes of meditation, that you got in the shower and had a nice relaxing warm bath. We have to find ways as caregivers to do that. If not, we get stressed out, we get overwhelmed. That's when chronic diseases come in. After the stress comes headaches, obesity, high blood pressure, all those things. We can prevent those things with just a little